Using Python's eval versus ast.literal_eval. I have a situation with some code where eval came up as a possible solution. Now I have never had to use eval before, but I have come across plenty of information about the potential danger it can cause. That said, I'm very wary about using it. My situation is that I have input being given by a user, where datamap needs to be a dictionary. I searched around and found that eval could work this out. I thought that I might be able to check the type of the input before trying to use the data, and that would be a viable security precaution. I read through the docs and I am still unclear if this would be safe or not. Does eval evaluate the data as soon as it's entered or after the datamap variable is called? Is the ast modules.literal_eval the only safe option?
Datamap equals eval input provides some data here. Comma means that you actually evaluate the code before you deem it to be unsafe or not. It evaluates the code as soon as the function is called. See also the dangers of eval. ast.literal_eval raises an exception if the input isn't a valid Python data type, so the code won't be executed if it's not. Use ast.literal_eval whenever you need eval. You shouldn't usually evaluate literal Python statements.
ast.literal_eval only considers a small subset of Python's syntax to be valid. The string or node provided may only consist of the following Python literal structures: strings, bytes, numbers, tuples, lists, dicts, sets, booleans, and none. Passing _import_os.system_rmrf/a path you really care about into ast.literal_eval will raise an error, but eval will happily delete your files. Since it looks like you're only letting the user input a plain dictionary, use ast.literal_eval. It safely does what you want and nothing more.
Eval. This is very powerful, but is also very dangerous if you accept strings to evaluate from untrusted input. Suppose the string being evaluated is os.system_rmrf/. It will really start deleting all the files on your computer. ast.literal_eval. Safely evaluate an expression node, or a string containing a Python, literal or container display. The string or node provided may only consist of the following Python literal structures: strings, bytes, numbers, tuples, lists, dicts, sets, booleans, none, bytes and sets. Syntax. Example. In the above code, ._class__bases_0, nothing but object itself. Now we instantiated all the subclasses. Here our main enter code here objective is to find one class named n from it. We need to code object and function object from instantiated subclasses. This is an alternative way from Python to access subclasses of object and attach the system. from Python 3.7 ask.literal_eval is now stricter. Addition and subtraction of arbitrary numbers are no longer allowed. Link.
Python's eager in its evaluation, so eval input ... Python 3 will evaluate the user's input as soon as it hits the eval, regardless of what you do with the data afterwards. Therefore, this is not safe, especially when you eval user input. Use ask.literal_eval. As an example, entering this at the prompt could be very bad for you.
Jeśli nie łamie to Simari, please consider